run it?
See what this little girl's got. Holy cow. Oh, that's awesome. Is it hard not to just keep doing
It's really
that?
hard not to do. Brake and then push down. Iron drive.
Oh, no torque. Doesn't do anything. Gotta get the RPMs up.
Right. You gotta get the spool built up, PSI.
Alright, you cool if I give her some throttle?
Yeah.
Let's see what she got. Let's get past this truck. Hold on to your britches.
Spin him too.
There we
Oh
go.
boy. Oh. I've never had anyone else do that to me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Whoa.
It like seriously puts your head back in the seat. Like
That's
you can't.
insane.
Sir and the kids are gonna walk across the bridge out to the park. Meet me out there. I have to go stop at the dump station and then back it in. Now we're all set up. Time to go have some fun. You have to run really fast so they dry off. Oh, dinner is served. There we go.
Oh, look at all these fireflies.
Is it really on?
I'd push it on some more so it doesn't fall off.
They were big. Now, it's like getting up to my finger.
How far is it? It's almost there? Yeah, that's good. Come over on this side so you're not in the smoke.
That's sticky.
We just drove out to Starved Rock State Park with my brother. We get here and the whole thing is flooded, the whole parking lot. We ended up parking at the lodge, which is up on a hill, and then we hiked from there.
Because it keeps getting in my eyes.
All right, more stairs.
This feels like a rainforest.
It kind of is.
Yeah, you can just chew the air. It's so thick.
Can you get my mocha out of my backpack?
Ezra and Raegan brought all this gear with them in their backpacks. I asked them if they were sure if they wanted to carry that all around all day, and they said yeah, they want to bring it all. They even brought notebooks so that they could write down everything that they saw. Well, by the end of the day, they used every single thing that they brought. I was surprised.
Daddy, that will be stored when us were driving here.
Yeah, we went by that.
That's where we're going swimming later.
Wait, we are?
Oh yeah, you wanted a good swimming hole. Goes Ottawa.
This is pretty sweet.
More. All right, she's gonna do it this time. Ready, go. Okay. You can do it. Nice.
The highest Eagle Cliff Overlook. This is huge. This is the highest. I want to jump off. Just kidding. I don't want to actually. Oh, here's a spider web. Daddy.
Yeah. Yep.
How high are we getting, Daddy? We're 50 feet.
This high?
Daddy. Oh. Hi, Zizi. Hi, Zizi.
All right, the GoPro just fell down these stairs through the gap down below, and it's all boxed in here, but
Hand it to me first. I'll hand it to you.
Charlotte volunteered to go down there.
It's sturdy.
You got it?
Let's see if Bryce has the strength. Thank you, Charlotte.
Yeah, 3 people can be on there. They only have to be one.
What's up, fellers? Some of my friends.
What's up, buddy?
Hi.
Why are you in seen you forever?
I didn't know you guys were here.
Family reunion.
See you guys later.
See ya.
See you guys.
I usually want you to tell them.
They love their ice cream. They had to get here before us.
Charlotte saw you go over there and she's like, I wonder if those are fans of the Blues Travelers.
It was. Tell her yes. We can't go anywhere without being recognized.
We're in our hometown, I would hope.
Oh, mine came first. people out here in line. Oh,
So pretty. Can I get a picture before you eat it? Okay.
Can I lick a one?
yeah.
Can I hold you?
Look at the twinkle. You want to try mine? Black, black, black.
Oh, hey guys.
You get two of everything.
What kind did you get?
What's the
Wanted to. How is it?
Good.
Unicorn cone.
But the tick went out of it.
Oh yeah, you took the stick out.
Yeah.
One right away. So
How is
she
it?
is.
How much ice cream?
How old is she now? Like 8 months.
Are you still eating? Or are you all done? All done? Okay. Was it good? Did you like it? No?
Yeah.
Gotta take turns. I didn't know I have a turn.
I was fairly intelligent until I got it.
Oh, can I do one now?
Sparklers? Or fireworks in general? Awesome!
There.
Oh, look at this guy, look! Look where he's going. They're all gonna do it. Okay, there's a bunch of people out here watching. Here comes another one. Look at him coming.
What's up? Oh, it's a fun one.
We're going, we're going.
Oh, look at this guy.
Awesome.
He made it to the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, there's people too.
I know.
That's amazing.
Oh, this dude's cooking.
And then he just like, what? Holy cow.
Yeah. Oh. It sounds cool.
Amazing.
There's some that are like way up there still.
I know.
There's a ton of people up
Here,
there too.
holy cow.
What? Oh.
Are your hands sticky? Whoa! Why don't you want them to be by us?
Well, because they're supposed to land over there. If they land over here, that means something went wrong.
Oh, because all these trees and stuff.
Yeah. Safety.
Can we go over there and have a picture with them?
We can walk over to the hangar.
What
And we
hangar?
can go look at that plane and go see how they pack their chutes. This big building.
Can we go?
It would be cool.
Can we go in the building?
That's fast.
Wow! He's so close.
Uh-huh. Some fellow RVers over here. Good job, bud. Ezra just pointed out they have wheel chocks like us.
Can we go back to the place?
Holy cow. Wave, Jonesy. High five. Yeah.
Good job.
Awesome.
This is so cool.
Why are
They're U.S. Army.
Hey.
That's pretty cool.
I want to
What do you think about Skydive Chicago?
Oh my gosh, it was so awesome.
Come here. Even if you're not a jumper, we're not a jumper. But
Or anywhere
very
in-
cool to watch.
In the U.S., skydiving stuff.
Yeah,
Oh.
especially this one though.